Hey guys, it's Noah, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Medium 5.0 Undeniable Duffel Bag from Under Armour. I did do an unboxing for the large size, but that bag ended up being too big, so I just went and exchanged it. I hope that these two videos will help you decide on which bag to buy. I am going to reiterate what I said in the other video in case there are new people that come across this video. Tanger outlet malls are very popular in the United States. There are only 2 locations in Canada. One is in Cookstown and the other one I think is in Ottawa. If you do come across a Tanger outlet mall, definitely stop in if you are looking to save some money on clothing. What Under Armour will do is if the product that you're looking for isn't in stock, they will order it for you and also deliver it to your house for free. On top of that, they will also apply their own store discount, which was 30% off bags, and they will add your Tanger member discount as well. The basic discount in the rewards program is 15% off a single item. To upgrade from basic level to gold, it is $20 a year, and with the gold, instead of 15% off, it is 25% off a single item. You end up getting quite a bit of discounts when shopping at Tanger. So with that being said, instead of the bag being $60 Canadian, not including taxes, it came up to be $40.34 Canadian. So now that we got that out of the way, now it is time for the unboxing. So yeah, this is the box that it comes in. Very much big still. I'll seal knife. I don't know. Why do you need such a big box for a small item? I don't understand. To me, that makes no sense. So I just have the packing slip. Move in a bit. I am looking on my watch just to make sure that I'm still hopefully in view. Okay, so again, we are welcomed with the big Under Armour logo, as always. So this bag is definitely a lot smaller than the large. The quality is still the same.
Under Armour's quality and their product is really good, so you're definitely getting your money's worth. But we are welcome with it.
But it is so much more smaller than the other one. There's not really much of a huge difference besides the size. Like the front pocket is much smaller than the large size. You also have your shoe and laundry compartment, which is definitely a little bit smaller, so just keep that in mind that the large duffel bag has a bigger shoe and laundry, like, pouch, I guess, compartment? I don't know what you want to call it. But, yeah, just keep that in mind, and also they have their water pouch thing here on the other side as well, and this is just another compartment to put other things that you might need when traveling. But yes, this bag is definitely worth it if you are looking for a weekend bag. The other bag was too big, like I didn't need that big of a bag. I hope that you guys got a sense of the different bag sizes. This video is not sponsored by Under Armour or Tanger outlets in any way, shape, or form, but Under Armour, if you do want to send me some products to review, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you guys like and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time I post a brand new video. Also, please make sure that you guys are following all of my socials. My socials are linked in the Linktree link, which is linked in the description down below. Continue to spread positivity, and I will see you all in the next one.